Well, how to earn money or make money on Snapchat? Well, you can easily earn money on Snapchat with the ad revenue on Snapchat. Yes, you heard me right. You can get ad revenue on Snapchat, but that only depends on what you post. You'll need to be a creator on Snapchat. You'll have to post spotlight, and what you also want to make sure is that the spotlight that you post has to be of more than a 1 minute. So you have to post a spotlight that is more than 1 minute, and that will be qualified for Snapchat ad revenue. So once you have it, once you have enough content that goes viral, then Snapchat will give you crystals. With that crystals, now what you can do is you can easily convert it and make money. You can redeem it to your account. So once you have enough crystals, you'll be able to easily do so. It's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below.